Could it be that the sum of the 40 to 2D ratio in couples tends to be a certain expected value? In other words, that what supposedly the 40 to 2D ratio is related to, which would be prenatal testosterone exposure in utero, that basically one person searches another person that in terms of prenatal testosterone exposure, if now combined in a couple, results in a certain value. So if a male has a lower 40 to 2D ratio, he would then seek out a female with a higher 40 to 2D ratio. And if a male has a higher 40 to 2D ratio, he would in return seek out a female with lower 40 to 2D ratio, which if again we assume that this correlates to prenatal testosterone exposure, as shown in a few studies, that then would again result in a certain predicted value. Also, using ChatGPT, it seems that the prenatal testosterone exposure sets the ceiling. There also has been some critique with these findings. So the mean for a man is 0.96 to 0.98, and the mean for women is 0.98 to 1.00. So a hetero couple sum would be 1.94 to 1.98, and most datasets land in between 1.98 to 1.97. The question now is if there is a sort of mating, but now it seems that this sum does not converge to a species-wide constant. It seems to cluster around 1.96 to 1.97 for heterosexual pairs in many European samples, with an SD of 0.04.